Representative Eskamani, recognized to close.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to my colleagues for your excellent debate. It might not be a friendly amendment, but it is absolutely friendly to the women of Florida, and that is why we are expressing our opposition concern about this legislation. I know that there's been attempts to brand this bill to be about justice, but really it's about control. This is not about helping grieving families, because those families already have the right under Florida law to seek justice and financial compensation if they lose their pregnancy due to someone else's negligence. That is already in Florida law. So I have to ask ourselves, why are we actually here? Because the sponsors of this bill, whether they know it or not, are quietly trying to rewrite the law to treat embryos and fetuses the same as living children. And in doing so, hand politicians and potentially abusive ex-partners a new tool to intervene in private healthcare decisions. You already heard examples of that from other parts in the country. In fact, this bill was stopped last year because of concerns with IVF out of Alabama. And here we are back again hearing it with the same concerns being elevated. I'm very, very, very concerned that this bill opens up the floodgates to cause chaos in Florida, especially for our reproductive health care providers and for those who are seeking health care. I'm concerned this could be a backdoor abortion ban, which 57% of Floridians told us last year that they reject the state's near total abortion ban and want us to roll that back to allow for private medical decisions to be made. I'm incredibly concerned about the shortage we already have in Florida with OBGYNs and how this is going to make a bad situation worse. So at a time when our constituents are asking us to focus on issues like affordability, at a time where they've already showed us that the majority wants to end the near total abortion ban, here we are finding ourselves with a very, very subtle bill, but one that is concerning nonetheless, that can invade people's lives, their bodies, and their decisions. This bill is a threat to freedom, to privacy, and to basic medical care. It has no place in Florida law. You should accept this amendment so we can protect people who make personal medical decisions and their doctors, not punish them. So I urge a loud and clear yes on this amendment. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
All those in favor of the amendment say yay. Yay! Those opposed, no. No. Show the amendment is not adopted. Read the next amendment.